I recently visited Ponca City and went to the Stuteville Ford Lincoln dealership. The great activities in and around Ponca City create an excellent work-life balance. Ponca City Lake is well developed with a sizable, state-of-the-art playground for its focal point near the main lake entrance. Scattered around the lake are multiple pavilions of varying sizes that can accommodate small to large groups. There's modern restrooms that are available. Further into the public access area, you will find a couple cool sand volleyball courts. Across the street is a large boat ramp, and the lake has many boat slips that can be reserved. This lake also has an abundance of fishing areas with access to multiple fishing docks. Just past the boat ramp is one of the largest lake swimming beach areas I've ever seen anywhere in Oklahoma. Most city lakes do not allow camping, but Ponca City Lake has a great camping area, which is something that makes this city lake stand out. Overall, I give Stuteville Ford and Ponca City high recommendations because of the people, because of the company, and the location. The family feel and cooperation of the staff from general manager down to lube tech, along with the modern facility and activities and attractions of the Ponca City area, makes this a very desirable place to live and work. If you'd like to find out information about what job opportunities there is at Stuteville Ford and Ponca City, just contact me.